kang tumingin ng ganyan sa akin. Huwag mo akong kulitin,
Ayun, naboy pala
huwag
bali ha?
mo akong tanungin.
Ano ba ang pahinga sa inyo?
Nak! Mata na nak!
Go.
When do the stars fade their light? Just the moon and sun make it right for you. The world may be like an endless storm, chasing a mystery.
At school, she greets her classmates with a wide grin. She laughs with them, plays during breaks, and tells jokes.
Masa'y tawag sa tinga walang kaskwila. Hindi mo pati.
To everyone, she looks like the jolly one, the girl who never frowns. Her classmates complain about missing pencils, slow Wi-Fi, or not having the newest shoes. During recess, they did their makeup and gossip while she sits quietly.
Wala pa ko lang ano siya nakita nagakaon ka pa siya. Wala ko pagbalulay basin wala na sila kwarta or wala na sila ginahatagan sa iyang mama.
Sometimes, in the middle of the class, she drifts off to sleep. Her classmates giggle. They don't know that last night she was helping her mother wash clothes by the river. They don't know she swept floors, washed dishes, and folded laundry in other people's houses until her back ached. They don't know she went home late with no food on her table. Far away, under the burning sun, her father's shirt soaked in sweat, his hands rough from years of hard labor. On the other hand, her mother kneels on the rocks, washing clothes until her hands turn red and raw. By the time they were paid, it's just a few coins, barely enough to survive. Their small wooden table often holds nothing but plain rice.
Ibuok ko adlaw sig trabaho nya man sudan.
Unsa man ako mabuhat o mura na akong hatag. May nakatarong ang trabaho para tarong to sudan.
One evening, after another argument about money, she stumbles toward her mother.
Naa na sudaan eh. Wala pa tay kwarta, wala pa tay makaon. Sige inom, sige sudan. Puy kay buhay oy.
Abi rin mo dali na ni sa kuha. Sige ka pangasaba. Ikaw daw. Ikaw daw mo ni sa kuha. Ikaw daw. Ito sa tiyaw ay pulos.
Nak, ato na lang siya sa syudad, dito na lang siya ka mag-eskwela. Ayun lang yun ang ako, unsa may dire.
Pero ma,
Sige lang nak, pasag din na, basta ikaw lang among pagdaon.
With trembling hands, she packs her few belongings before sunrise. Her heart feels heavy, but there's no turning back.
Wala na akong gagawa pa dahil sa biyaheng ito. Iba nang yung kasama, pero salamat muli sa oras mong binigay. Ngunit sa biyaheng panghabang buhay,
Her classmates assume she is lucky.
dahil dato siguro siya no.
Galing ang gusto din.
Ulit guro niya tanan niyang gusto.
Contractor ko lang pera sa namin ba?
But the truth, she sends every peso home. Her phone buzzes constantly.
Nak, padalaw kwarta be, wala na makaon. Imong papa sige rag inaw, imong mga manghod na napoy bayro nun sa eskwelahan.
Kanang ma, pwede sa sunod na lang kay wala pa magudjud ko na tibong ba.
Need na jud mo nak.
Sige ma, magpadala ko.
Hindi ba ako pwedeng magpahinga? Ano ba yung pahinga? Yung wala ka munang iisip yung ibang tao? Yung sarili mo muna. Yung hihiga ka lang, tatahimik ka lang kasi pagod ka na. Ang tagal ko nang hindi naranasan yon. Pero hindi ko pwedeng sabihin sa pamilya kong, sandali lang ha, wag muna kayong magugutom. Pagod na ako eh. Hindi ko pwedeng sabihin yon, hindi ako pwedeng huminto. Tuloy-tuloy lang kasi wala naman akong katuwang eh.
Years later, she finally graduates. On stage, she receives her diploma, smiling through her tears. In that moment, she thinks of her mother by the river and her father in the fields.
Para ninyo ning tanan.
She returns home for a short visit, diploma in hand, expecting pride and relief. Her siblings hug her. For a moment, she feels the weight leave. But that night, as she enters the small wooden house, her father has started gambling again. The debts are back.
Nakunsa naman mo dito ma. Sige naman mag-inom si papa.
Her mother pleads.
Ikaw na lang bahala nak, ikaw na jud among paglaom.
Her heart sinks. The dream of freedom slips away. She thought she had escaped, but the chains just tightened. In a few hours, she boards the bus back to the city. Tears roll down her cheeks, but she forces a smile. Her family photo sitting beside the TV. She stares at it for a long time. She's back in the wooden house.
Ate, ikaw ba na?
Oo, pero mas magulang lang.
Unsay ginabuhat nimo dinhe?
Gusto lang nako iingon nga dili nimo kailangan ako og tanan. Dili nimo kailangan na maging kusog nga ikaw ra isa.
Pero kung dili ko kinsa pa,
Dili nimo sala ang kapobrihan, pagpahuway sad.
pero ate kabalo ka nga dili ko magkapahuway.
She walks among her classmates, screaming, but no one looks, no one hears. She runs to a mirror.
Nganong dili ko nila ginapansin? Dili ko nila makitaan? Nganong dili ko nila ma-feel? Noon sa man sila? Noon sa man ko?
Her reflection doesn't show. Her body never woke up. She realizes she died. She never left.
Tapang.
3 college students are walking home late at night. Their path takes them through the quiet street where the abandoned apartment still stands.
Muray ka ng adventure ba? Maunsa pala ta bahala ka tayo ha.
The hallway swallowed in darkness, filled with some ominous energy we couldn't see. The building has been empty since that night. As they pass, they hear it. A faint cry for help.
Tapang.